How to buy Lethe or Lethe token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available right now on the screener. It created 1 hour ago. It's very new token and it creates by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in a safe place. Also, this token trending number 10 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your fund to wallet for that. And click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Lethe token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.